Hey folks, I'm Jennifer Lau. I'm a master gardener at English Gardens here in Royal Oak, Michigan. I've got a little wild one for you today. This is the Monstera Philodendron. Now, to you plant-savvy people, you know that anything in the philodendron family is a tough and reliable addition to your home. Wonderful. I like to point out, though, how many different varieties of philodendron there are. This one, the deliciosa, is commonly called the Swiss cheese plant. I don't think I really have to tell you why. When this plant has holes in the leaves, it's not a bug or an animal to blame. Completely normal. It's native to Mexico, Guatemala, Panama, but it's been introduced to a lot of different tropical jungle locations, but it will grow quite easily in your home, let me tell you. Think jungle though, doesn't need a lot of light. Try to limit direct hot afternoon sun if it's right next to a window. In fact, it will grow quite happily in a darker corner. But be prepared that it will fill a space up. Thankfully, it won't grow 60 feet tall like it does in the jungle. But if height is what you want, you'll want to think of providing it, say, a support stake or a trellis to help it grow upwards like this. You see, these leaves will get much larger with this variety than this philodendron variety, which looks, nice and tidy trailing down. So keep that in mind. You can always just keep it trimmed as well. Also, remembering to turn the plant regularly will help keep its shape. Specifically, turn new leaves away from the sun so that it keeps stretching towards the light. They'll start to reverse direction from out towards the middle of the plant, which will help maintain a more uniform look. As with all philodendron, let them go almost completely dry halfway down before watering well, till the little water comes out the bottom. Give it some fertilizer during its active growth season, once a month maybe during spring through fall. If you'd like a large but easy plant to give you that jungle feel, try the Swiss Cheese Philodendron. You can do this. Go and make life beautiful.